Oh, hey, hey, you caught me in the shower. No, we're talking plumbing today on the Reisinger Build project. We're gonna talk about this digital shower control. And honestly, it presented some problems on this project. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so there's the shower in the primary bathroom. And we've done some videos of this in the past. If you look at the Reisinger Build series, in the plumbing video, we covered a lot of what's behind the walls here, talking PEX, rough-in plumbing and stuff like that. Today, we're gonna mention that, and because it's important when it comes to this shower control that's on that wall. That digital shower control is totally different than what we've been installing in homes leading up to this point. You're eliminating that mechanical valve mounted in the wall, and instead you're doing everything remote with like some electronic valves that are being controlled by that touch screen inside. The reason why I want to mention this space here, we're on the back side of that shower, that walk-in shower where that control is. These are medicine cabinets. So they're inset, recessed into the wall cavities. And as you know, that takes up a lot of space, limits where we can put plumbing. We've got wall-mounted sink fillers here, these faucets. There's a big rough brass body, water lines inside the wall there, taking up space. Then of course you've got two sinks, so you have to have waste and vent. That has to be routed through here with electrical receptacles in the wall. All of this stuff that just takes up tons and tons of space in the wall makes it difficult to do something like a shower valve right there. And especially this system. So this is a Kohler digital thermostatic valve system. That control we saw on the wall where you can set temperatures, you can set which shower head is receiving the water, all kinds of cool stuff like that. That's being done right here. So we've got a couple hot and cold supplies into the bottom of these boxes. And then out of these, think of these more or less as like a manifold. The water is being routed through multiple PEX lines to either one shower head, the fixed shower head overhead, or you've got the handheld. In some cases, you might build out shower systems with body sprays and stuff like that. That's all being done through these boxes. And if you remember at the beginning of the video, I said, hey, sometimes it doesn't go quite right, right? They decided to locate this here, and that being the whole point of me covering, like, there's not a lot of room in these walls. There's a lot of plumbing happening. And ultimately they had to say, where are we gonna put these? If you look at the installation instructions from Kohler, or you look, there's other brands on the market that have them as well, that say, hey, try to get it as close as you can to your shower. That makes a lot of sense to me as the plumber. Less materials, less things that might go wrong from here to there by increasing distances. If we get them close, that's gonna be helpful. They do require power, and they do require some kind of access, and that's the big challenge.